Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Umair and today we're going to be looking into ApplyMap function. Let's get started. ApplyMap script function is used for mapping the output of an expression or a field to a previously loaded mapping table. As for its input, it requires the name of the mapping table, the expression or a field name, and optionally the default mapping in case no match is found. If the default mapping is not stated, the value of an expression will be returned as is. Let's take an example from the inline table that I've already created for this demo. Our inline table has actor names and country of birth that uses abbreviation for country names. So let's go ahead and create a mapping table that can map the full country name against them. Let's name it map country and write mapping before the load statement to identify it as a mapping table. Add the columns. Keep in mind that you can only have 2 columns in a mapping table. Now let's add country name for the codes. In our example, we'll purposely ignore the mapping for Australia to better understand the ApplyMap function. Now let's use the ApplyMap function to get country names within actors table. Add the mapping table name, the field name that will be matched against the first column in our mapping table. And let's call it country name. And now load the data. Open Data Model Viewer. As you can see, the ApplyMap function loads the country names for all the codes in our mapping table. For Australia, it maps the value as is since no match was found. Also, if you've noticed, the mapping table does not form part of our data model. Let's go back to the data editor and let's add the default value when no match is found. Let's use other. And let's load the data again. And now you can see the value other against Australia. And that is it. That's all I have for ApplyMap function. See you in the next video.